guys, it's Ikia back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday summer makeup routine. This routine is so simple, it's so cute, and you're gonna love it. I wanted to share it with you guys, so I hope you enjoy, and let's get into it. I finally cleaned my makeup brushes and they look so good. I'm not even gonna tell y'all when's the last time I cleaned them because y'all would judge me, and I'm judging myself, so that's why I'm just gonna. Here's my makeup bag that I use for all of my essential makeup. I have like bigger palettes, but obviously I don't put those in here, so these are just my go-to items that I wear every day, and this is from Shein. I would definitely want to upgrade by now because what even is this? And then the inside is like, oh yeah. Okay, first thing I always go in with is my eyebrows. I like to have a clean eyebrow look. This is the product I've been using for my eyebrows. This is the e.l.f. brow lift, and then I go in with this spoolie to use for my eyebrows. So whenever I'm doing this, I just dab it because a little product goes a long way. I've had this for about 6 months, so I'm just going to go up with my eyebrows just to get them in one direction. Towards the end part, I just swirl it over. But I like the front to be going upwards. I just feel like it makes my eyebrows look fuller. So this is the before, which is like just going out. Okay, here are the eyebrows. They look very lovely and very clean. This is the Revlon Color Stay Gleaming Eyes. This is what it looks like when you take it out. It comes in this wand and it's a silver look. So I'm just gonna go in and rub it on my eye. Not too much, but you want to kind of get your eye covered with it. And then I just take my finger and dab it around my eyelid. It's so funny because in high school, I literally used to do glitter eyeshadow. Like my 9th and 10th grade year, I used to love wearing glitter eyeshadow. And so it's funny how time just rolls back around and I'm back into the glitter eyeshadow look. But I guess some things never go away after a while. It just sticks with you and it'll come back eventually. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This concealer is so full coverage. A little truly goes a long way. So I'm just gonna do these 2 small dots because I'm really testing this product out with my shade right now. And this is the brush I'm using. This is a concealer brush that I got from Shein. I just dab it through. As you can see, it's already starting to spread a lot. And you want to try to blend it through as best as possible. You could use primer as well, but for the sake of this video, I don't need primer. But I will show you guys what primer I use. So I just go in with this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. It works really well. I use this Anastasia palette, and this is my go-to color, if you can't tell. This is the brush I use. So I normally take it from here, like about here, and just drag it down. But I think a hack that you can do is kind of snatch your lips together. So, and then when you do that, you can kind of see where you would want that snatched look. I just really try to follow my face. I'm not very good at contouring yet, so I just be doing whatever, but it works for me. I think it makes a difference. Then I just go in with this Morphe M164 brush. This is the brush that I use for my nose. You want to make sure that you make your nose look as even as possible because however you contour your nose is how it's gonna look. So if you contour your nose crookedly, your nose is going to look crooked after you finish blending it in. So this is a really strategic part that you have to pay close attention to. And I like to bring it up here because I feel like it defines my eyelid a bit more. And it's just also a very good starting point for me. And now I'm going to go back in with my e.l.f. concealer and just do 2 dabs to just help blend the colors together. And I just take this buffing brush and just go upwards against my face because you want it snatched, so you don't want to pull it down to drag your face down. But since we want that snatched look, I'm bringing my makeup up and back. And then for my nose, I'm going to go in and just try to blend out the concealer on my nose a little more. And then I'll take this mini beauty blender and just dab it up to blend out my nose. I know the nose isn't something that you want to blend out all the way, but I'm still perfecting my nose contour specifically because I just be seeing girls, like, I'll still see the shadow of their nose contour, but I feel like when I do it, it just shows too much. I don't know. So I'm still just trying to perfect that part. Overall, I feel like I do some pretty good contour. It's not dramatic, but it works. Okay, now we're getting into blush. I've been really feeling the peachy orangey look this summer, so I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I normally use between this shade, this shade, this shade, or this shade, like between 1, 2, 3, or 4. This one is actually cute too. I will use this one as well, but today I'm gonna go for this one because I want that peachy, summery, beach type of look. I decided I'm actually going to mix this one and this one together just so I can have that really orangey look. Do you see? It's like so cute. And I've been trying to do more so like my cheeks right here, just so I can have that cute old school blush look. When you smile, it's like, you know. But I still do like to bring it up my face. Jeez. We are about to bake my face just around this part. But when I bake, it'll even out the tones of my cheeks. Even though I like it, it's still cute. I like to see the blush, but we're still gonna bake my face just to make sure I don't get any unnecessary creases underneath the eye since I did do concealer. My mom brought me these mini puffs from I don't know where, but we're gonna try that out today since we're only doing under the eye. So I'm just gonna put it on my finger and I'm going to dab it. I'm gonna roll it actually. I feel like the product will come on better when I roll it. And we're just gonna tap the excess powder off, blow it out, and just dab it. Oh yeah, I like this. This is perfect. Wow, this is absolutely perfect. Oh, The way that this just set under my eye, oh my gosh. Ooh. I love a matte makeup look. I don't like a glossy makeup look. That is the one thing about that e.l.f. concealer, is it does give you that satin, glowy, like greasy type of look. Not that it's a bad thing, because some people like that wet look. I like my face to look dry. I don't like the oily look. But this puff is literally perfect. Okay, we're just gonna let this sit and bake for a little bit. I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal telescopic lift. This is the waterproof one, so it is really tough to come off. So I'm really doing this for y'all because I don't want to use this right now. Even though it's a wonderful product, it just takes some scrubbing to get off of your face. It's no easy wipe. I'm gonna use this on my top and bottom lashes. Okay, this is coat number 1, and you can already just tell the black just gave so much life to my eyelid. So let's go in with another coat. Eye number 1 is done, and I'm just gonna use this brush to wipe off the baking that I did. You don't want no white under your eye, but it will, depending on what color you have, it might make your face look lighter, but you don't want that white residue, so you want to make sure that you're rubbing it in really well. But I just love how baking kind of just brings the whole look together. Okay, and we're gonna bring a little more color back into my face, so I'm gonna go in with the same 12 color palette and just use this brown. Wait, that was the wrong brown. We're gonna use this brown for some bronzer, just to bring some color back into my face. So I just like to do it under my eye. This definitely brought some color back into my face. Now that we're done with the under eye, I'm gonna go in with the same mascara to do some bottom mascara. Bottom mascara on my lashes. My bottom lashes are not that long, so I always struggle with getting it up there, but I did a pretty good job today. I did not mess up, so we're in the green. Okay, now it's time that we do some highlight to bring that glow, that real glow to my face. I use this Anastasia palette glow kit, and this is the color that I use. Really between these two, but today I'm gonna go with this one because it's that summer bright glowy look, and I want it as bright as possible. And it's literally called summer. I did not know that. I did not know that at all. That's crazy. So I do it on my cheeks. You can see it already. So cute. And then we gotta get some on my nose. Right down the middle and on the tip. You can never go wrong with too much highlight. Like, a lot of highlight is just so. And then I'm just gonna do some in the inner corner of my eyes. That is literally perfect. I love doing highlight in the corner of my eyes. It just brings that glow. Glow, glow, glow. Glow, 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 glow. This is another good blush that I love to use for the summer. This is the e.l.f. Bright Pink blush, but this blush is really good. Like, I would recommend this if y'all don't want to buy a whole palette. And last but not least, we have the lips. Y'all, my lips been dry this whole video, so I've been saving it for y'all. I'm a brown lip type of girl, so I'm gonna go in with this contour palette and take this brown so that I can do a lip liner on myself. I do normally use a NYX lip liner, but it's really short, so I'm just gonna use this right now. And when you're doing your lip liner, you want to make sure that it's blended out. So you don't want it to be literally a line, but you see how I kind of brought it down a little bit? So you just want to make sure it's kind of thick, but a blended type of thick, not like actually thick. Another method that you can do is close your lips and go like this. It'll blend it together. But the part I've been waiting for this whole video to get some actual lip gloss on my lips, I'm gonna use this Patrick Star by MAC. It's just this really pretty nude glittery look. It goes perfect with a brown lip. That brought it all together. So I hope y'all enjoyed this very, very, very easy and simple makeup look. I love you forever.